How to fix DTLS connecting on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Discord application. As you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Discord application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on Discord application over here and then tap on app info. It will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So as you tap on it, you'll be able to delete all data if it's possible. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options so that you have no issues while using the application. Next, what you can do is just make sure that you tap on the power button and reboot and restart the device, and this might fix the issue as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.